We're leaving the house for 11 days. Bex and I are off to Norway. We're going to Norway! Yay! Hiya. We're leaving the UK on the hottest day of the year. Getting on the flight. Hiya. Different heat. Just done a transfer from Bergen to Voss. This is the view from the window of our hostel, which is amazing. Breakfast time. Getting ready to go on this kayaking trip in about an hour.
Here we go, around and we're going to be camping. We spot just in here.
We've packed all our stuff up into dry bags and now we've got a kitty which we're just going to use to grab ourselves some beer. Every time I record, just talk about food.
Very far, Johnny. Huh? It's not going very far.
It's alright, I can edit that. We've arrived at camp for the night. And now Bex is going to help me get the boat in. Love the booties. Finding some cold water so that we can chill our beers. Like, it's been so hot that the water's dried up. It's cold. We're back in half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour to an hour. Fair enough to cool down.
I give it half an hour. 45 minutes later. I had to bring Gary with me to collect the beers because, oh, I've just painted my nails. I also should probably intro you guys onto this vlog. This is Nabta.
Hello.
And this is Gary.
Hi.
Cheers, everyone.
Dollar at cat.
Cack.
Carrot cake.
I ordered some cactus.
Where are we off to, Bex? They are stinky loose. Stinky loose with a good view. We're just walking back to the campsite and it's what, 10:30?
About 10:30, yeah.
10:30, maybe even 11:15. Go that way. And it is so light. They only get about 2 hours of darkness at the moment in Norway and that's what, like pretty dusky anyway, it's not even pitch black. It's really weird that we're going to bed and it's like, could be the middle of the day.
It's quite nice.
I quite like it.
Can we both get through here?
No, you go. It's just so bloody light. I'm quite awake.
I'm sleeping now.
Oh my god, ready? Go. Can't see it. I think I won that. That is where we are hiking up to. What is it? Blueberries. Lovely. A bit sour. How you doing?
Yeah, we're making it.
It just keeps on going. Get ready for this view. What's for breakfast then? Oh my god, this is so civilised. Becky's foraging.
Raspberries for breakfast.
You have to pick your own if you want.
Hmm?
You have to pick your own if you want.
No, I don't want any. Day 2 kayaking. Can we go right a bit?
Yeah, right side.
Onwards. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Love you. We stopped to go on a hike, and this is what Becky's decided to wear. It's not normal. So you've gone hiking in your pants?
It's like bikini bottoms.
Whereas Nab over here, sensible Nab, she knows how this works. Look at this cool waterfall. I couldn't film at the very, very top because it was absolutely soaking wet. Like we actually it was like we had a shower. We need to clean this lens now. How many kayaks do you reckon?
15.
15, 20 kayaks. Went past them all. We won.
3 well past.
The legendary bow and stroke team
Yeah.
strike again.
BJ.
Bex and Jen, also known as the BJ team. Now on the city centre bus, heading to our Airbnb because we're going to hang out in Bergen now for 2 nights. 2 nights.
Yeah.
And do a little bit of a city break before we go camping again.